Hey everybody, I'm Lee with Olsen Equine, and I'm glad you're here today because I've got a quick tip that's going to save you a lot of money. All you need is a basic 8-inch bench grinder, 2 flat pads, the soft ones. We just double stack them so we get more done. The black compound. Lightly go over that. Secret to me is being patient right here, going nice and slow. Go down one side, go back down the other. One right down the middle. That's all you need to do. The more often you do it, the less work you're going to have to do. This is the Heller Excel green tagging rasp. This is our favorite rasp on the market. I hope you have a great day. God bless America.